Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete TikTok messages from both sides, from you and also the recipient. So if you sent something or maybe you said something wrong in DMs, or you want to just tidy up your inbox, this is how you can delete messages so they vanish for both you and also the recipient. Now, what you need to do, let's just open TikTok first. Okay, so once you open TikTok, you can just go to inbox. Let's say I am going to send a message here. Okay, let's say I send something, or let's just say hello in here. You can click on say send, and if you want to delete this message from both sides, you can just long press on it, long press on the message, and there will be this pop-ups right here. Now you can just click on delete for all options. So if you only click on delete for me, then this message will all be deleted from for you, but the recipient will still receive the message. So let's just click on delete for all, and there will be this like notif you deleted a message. So that's all for me. That's how you can delete messages in TikTok DM. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.